Hey, what's up guys? I'm making this short video of course, to share with you a couple of brushes that I use every day in my compositions. This is a pack that I have been collecting over the last 10 or probably 12 years. And believe me, it's a good really pack for GIMP compositions. As you already can see right here, uh, it includes a really nice and good variety of brushes, since angel dust, hairs, stairs, trees, splashes, rain, and all the brushes that you will love to have in your GIMP setup, just to go ahead and start making good art with your program. Okay, so I'm gonna give you a link to the carpet with all the zip files, and once you downloaded them, so you have to just go ahead and click right here on this executable file, and that's gonna give you a self-extracting wizard, and just select the carpet where you want all the brushes to be extracted, and that's it. As I already have all my brushes right here, I'm gonna go ahead and cancel this thing, and then I'm going to show you the easy way to install all these brushes in your program. I'm talking about GIMP. So the first step is just right here, go to edit, then select preferences. Once you're there, go to folders, select brushes, go ahead and click on this button right here, the one that says add a new folder. After that, go to the next one right here and just go ahead and look for the brushes you just extracted. In my case, I have it in the desktop. It's right here. And guys, you don't need to install them all. But if you want to take a look at them and just make a decision later on how many of them you need, you can just do that. I mean, in my case, I'm gonna select them all by clicking on the OK button right here. And once again, I'm gonna go ahead and then just press OK again. And it's gonna take a couple of seconds, probably a minute or two, depending on your computer. In my case, it's gonna take probably a little more than that. No, I was wrong. Now we have them right here, and I'm gonna go ahead and create a new file. Okay, I'm gonna just a layer of 2000 by 2000 pixels, and I'm gonna fill this layer with white color, and then I'm gonna go ahead and select the brush tool right here, and just play with them. Just take a look at them. Go through the entire menu right here, so you can make a decision on the brush that you're gonna need on that, depending on the composition you're working on. We have a little nice butterfly right here. I didn't know I had that one right here. Looks good. So like I'm saying, guys, just go through this menu and take a look at them, and then just, if you want to just delete the brushes and start installing only the one that you need, well, you can do that whatever you want with this package. Is for you, it's free. It's I mean, I just found them on the internet and have been collecting them for a long time. And that's it, guys. Like I said, this is a short video, and of course I'm gonna be uploading some couple of videos in the next weeks. And of course, thank you for watching, and I will see you in next releases.